Have you been looking to make money online? There's a new opportunity that doesn't require any prior knowledge or skills. In this video, I'll show you how to get paid $700 to follow a Facebook page, take surveys, and watch videos, and more in your spare time. It's an easy way to make money online, so don't miss out. Watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. Do you have a Facebook account? Want to make money while doing something you're already doing? You can get paid $700 to follow a Facebook page and do other so simple tasks. That is possible with Rewardingways.com. Rewardingways is a legitimate survey site that allows you to earn extra money online in your spare time. You can work from home or from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Watch videos, take part in paid trials, answer survey questions, and play online games and offers to earn points. Exchange points for quick cash or gift cards. They offer access to thousands of survey opportunities every day, quick payments, with an average payout time of 4 hours, and a low minimum rewards threshold so you can cash out with PayPal anytime you earn over just $1. They are one of the quickest paying online survey sites, giving you access to the best online market research companies providing high-paying surveys. You can join for free. Your sign-up bonus is added automatically when you join free, and you could be requesting your first cash payout in just 10 to 15 minutes. You get paid for every single survey you complete. The average survey will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete, and can pay anything between 50 cents and $5 per survey. Longer surveys may take up to 30 minutes but can offer higher rewards. You may also earn by referring others to join Rewardingways. If someone joins via your link, you'll receive a 25% commission from Rewardingways every time they do a survey or offer. It is a wonderful way to earn a little more if you know many people to invite. And the best part is, once every 3 months, the top 20 members of Rewardingways are eligible to win cash prizes. The grand sum of this award is $1,000. If you complete a lot of offers and surveys, this is a great bonus reward. Compared to other GPT sites, this is a massive incentive and a wonderful opportunity. Also, you can earn by following them on Facebook and Twitter. Most importantly, when following them you will find the promo codes that can give you a bit of free cash. Earnings depend on where you live and how much time you have. The top 20 cash contest winners on Rewardingways earn between $400 and $700 every month. You can redeem your points using PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill and get paid the same day. Also, you can use Tango gift cards which can be used at a variety of known retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, and many more. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.